white girl, 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 white girl. I got that. White girl, white girl, white girl, white girl, white girl. I got that. White girl, white girl, white girl.
So we met when I was 3.5. She was 2.5. She was 1. Because we live across the street from each other, and I used to ride my training bike in her cul-de-sac.
That's 4 wheels.
Yeah, it's not 3, it's 4. And her mom walked out with them and was like, "Oh, we live here and you live there, and these are my daughters, and you guys should be friends."
Best friends.
Yeah, okay. And then she hated me and threw rocks in my eyes and blinded me in an eye the week after I met her. Summers. Yep, those are our favorite memories.
I'm Floater. Steds.
And Little Che. Those are our nicknames. It just pretty much
works.
like the one word describes so much to us. My biggest pet peeve is when that one asks questions about TV shows. I literally want to hit her while we're watching them. No, Megan, she'll ask questions about a TV show we are all watching for the first time. Like, we know what's gonna happen. It is the most annoying thing ever, and I scream at her every time, and it's usually when I wake up from naps. So
that's my pet peeve about you. She wakes up from naps.
What's annoying about me?
Okay, I don't want to say yours though.
Well, say
the way she eats her food when no one's around. There we go. The way that food, it literally is like everywhere when no one's watching her. It's worse than I'm saying.
Okay.
It really is.
She does this thing where, like, let's say, like, I'm telling a story to Megan.
That was what you were gonna say.
And she, like, knows the story, but I'm telling it. She'll, like, chime in every last few words. Like, we'll be like, yeah, we went to the park. And she'll be like, yeah, the park. Like, she'll do that. She'll, like, chime in. And then Megan, pretty much everything, because we're obviously related. So everything she does annoys me. No, it's when it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm trying to sleep and she knocks on my door trying to tell me a story of the day. I'm like, I'm tired, don't talk to me.
But it's a good story.
It's not a good story.
Puts me in headlocks and knees me in the face. And I have scars from her. But she doesn't really do it anymore. Oh, I know. About how when I ask her to do something for me, she like says no, and then when she always asks me to eat my food, and when I say no, she's like, I'm gonna remember that, and then for later, and she uses it against me. I don't know.
Okay, about Haley.
Everything.
The nap thing.
No. Yeah, the nap thing, and how she yells at me a lot, and how
I'm sorry, I wake up really angry.
I know, and how she uses me to go out in public, and then she ditches me.
I don't ditch you, though.
You do.
I don't ditch you. When have I ditched you? Hogwarts.
Yeah.
We all want to go to Hogwarts.
Her nicknames are her favorite, I feel like. I mean, we have inside jokes that Megan doesn't have because it's like she's out of the inside joke. The bagel. Me and Megan have inside jokes about.
Most of our inside jokes though are like not even inside jokes. They're just like video quotes that no one else understands.
Like
nappy.
Yeah, we like making fun. Well, no, not making fun. We like saying Australian words.
Mermaid's the only song.
Yeah,
by
summer
Train.
song.
Mermaid and He-Man we listened to 3 hours straight.
Yeah.
It was a really long time. Steds drinks her ketchup. She drinks her ketchup.
Ketchup, ranch, not meat products.
Mustard, I guess. I have mustard and everything.
Yeah, mayonnaise, ranch, mustard. Ketchup.
And when we're eating teriyaki chicken, she just stares at it. She's like, that looks so good. But I can't have any.
Teriyaki chicken is my favorite, okay? Anyway.
No.
You jack my clothes
Actually,
sometimes.
me and her kind of do. But me Haley
We don't
does.
really share clothes.
One time I
Except for like rarely, like if it's like a special occasion.
oh yeah, you borrowed that shirt from me. I have a flannel from her. Or like mostly not like clothes, but like accessories. I feel like we share more than clothes. Like sunglasses.
Because we don't have the same style whatsoever.
We're like different. Our meshing. Cause like we'll literally just like hang out. Wow, like we do nothing.
We do
when hang
nothing.
out.
We literally sit in silence for hours while like I'll be on my phone and she'll be on her laptop and she'll be reading a book and we'll just do that for hours and
It's like normal for us. Like if someone would come over and like see us doing that, they think we're weird. But like it's just us. That's just what we do, man. Yeah. Is that it?
yeah, that's it.